Hi, this is Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com. And first off, I want to welcome all our new members and thank you so much for joining and for doing the right thing and using your head and coming into the trade room. That's the key to our service. Using the tools of your subscription, taking advantage of our experience, and making a go of it. So thanks everybody for coming into our trade room. I love doing these videos that are sort of like an anatomy of a day in trading. And our day started actually last night when I traded the API Energy report. It's a report that we have a very specific way that we trade it. When the trade was over, after about 10 seconds or so of being in the market, I was up 8 ticks. $80. That money does not show up in my daily profit from today because a new day got started after that money was put in my account. But the anatomy of the day trading started last night with the API report, positive 8 ticks, 11 seconds. Now, one of the main points of this video is that you can make money whether the markets are good or whether the markets are bad, or whether the news is good, or whether the news is bad. Keep your eye on this ADP number. It was very, very bad. They were expecting 180,000 jobs in payrolls. It's an ADP payroll report, and they wound up getting 27,000. When that news came out, it was 27,000. That caused gold to explode to the upside. And bad news drove my profit over $300 on that trade. And there's the bad news, 27,000 created rather than 180,000. So we made money on bad news. The second trade of the morning was the ISM trade. You can see the news to the right. This particular report has good news, which drives gold down. After a couple of seconds of being in the market, my profit is now $552.50. So you could see we profited on bad news, and then the second major report this morning, we profited on good news. We don't care if the news is good, bad, or indifferent. All we're looking for is an offset, meaning that we want to see a difference between what's forecasted and what's actually given in the news. When there's a difference in those prices, you get a move in the index, and that generates a nice, sweet profit for us. But not only did it generate a profit for us, our members sent us great pictures of the profits they made. One of our members on both trades, when he was done, he had a nice little profit of 300 real live dollars. $300, 2 trades, 150 each. He spent about a minute in the market. That was on ADP and ISM this morning. Another member started out with the ADP report, trusting our advice, which people do all the time in the trade room. He made $280 on the ADP report. Then he came back, again, trusting our advice, made an additional 190. By the time he was done in the morning, he was up $470. Not bad for spending about a minute in the market. And then finally, another great, awesome picture that another member sent us. After he was done trading this morning, he had a profit of $1,290. $1,290. Now, the point is this. We use our experience to help you to figure out which reports to trade. We know because we watch dozens and dozens and dozens of these trades over and over again. We have a prime trades class, a class that takes the best of the best, the cream of the crop, and we teach you how to trade them specifically. So new members, I want to thank you all for coming into the trade room, understanding the way we think, the way we work, making some money along the way. If you haven't made money yet, you'll learn how to do it in the trade room. We teach you, we show you, and we all have a fantastic community of traders that works together to make a profit, to learn, educate, and also have a little fun while we're doing it. This is Lee Goldstein from thenewstraders.com. You know the drill. I'll see you in the trade room. Take care, everyone.